Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account on your desktop computer. So let's jump right straight into this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for easy content like this. So let's jump right straight in. You visit facebook.com, then ensure you are logged in on your account. So next, you're going to make it to your account button at the top right corner where you find your profile picture. Then you click on it. Next, you click on settings and privacy. Next, you click on settings. Next, you click on see more in account center. This blue button here. Next, you click on personal details. Next, you click on account ownership and control. Next, you click on deactivation or deletion. Next, you select Facebook. So next, if you want to deactivate, you select the deactivate account. If you want to delete, you select the delete account option. So we select the deactivate account. Next, we click on continue. So you most likely find this if you have Facebook pages connected to your Facebook profile. So you can see deactivating your account will also deactivate your other additional Facebook profiles as well as pages where you are the only admin or person with full control. To keep your pages active, assign another admin or give someone else full control in your pages settings. So this instruction is very clear. So you scroll down, then you click on continue, then you follow the on-screen instruction and input your password to deactivate your account. So do well to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. See you in the next video and bye for now.